So, what's up mga ha. So guys, ang ating is pinamagatang 10 facts about me. So guys, meron ako guys na vlog, patlo ata yung vlog guys, yung 10 facts about me. So guys, so ulitin ko yun guys kasi hindi masyadong masyadong clear yung pagsabi ko at pag-edit. So ayun guys, dito sana mas makilala nyo ko ng gusto guys. So kung gusto nyo malaman ang mga basta, so ayun guys, let's start. John. So yun na guys, sa first fact, teka lang ang tumpong to. Yan, okay na yan. So guys, yung first fact guys, is ano yung full name ko guys. So guys, ang aking full name is Kim John E. Wang. G-H-O-N po, hindi G-O-H-N. G-H-O-N po, hindi G-O-H-N. Kim John E. Wang. G-H, hindi po G-O. G-H-O-N. So yan guys, so yan yung aking first fact. So guys, second fact. So guys, birthday ko po is May 27, 2007. So guys, ayan. So guys, for the third fact, guys, I'm 13 years old pa lang po. Yes, I'm 13 years old pa lang po. So ayun guys, sa pang-apat na fact. So guys, nakatira po ko sa Barangay Dalipi, Lemery, Iloilo. So guys, nakatira po ko sa Iloilo. So guys, yung Lemery guys is hindi nyo pa alam, is sa gitna ng San Rafael at Sara. So guys, una nyong ano ba yan? Basta guys, between guys ng San Rafael at Sara, sa gitna niya guys, dyan yung Lemery guys. So guys, for the fifth fact, ano po, ang nickname ko po is Kim lang po. Ayan, Kim. So guys, kasi guys, nung name ko is guys, yung nabigay ko guys is yung ate ko guys. Kasi nung time na yun is sikat si Kim Chu. Ayan, sikat si Kim Chu guys. Kaya yun, Kim John E. Wang. So guys, ulitin ko guys sa G-H-O-N guys. Kasi guys, minsan, kunwari, pag nag-a-attend or kasi guys, kunwari, nag-a-attend ako ng mga dibu, ayan, yung nakasulat kasi dun guys is Kim John G-A-O-H-N kasi guys, and sa school din guys, minsan guys G-O-H-N din guys. Pag hindi ko sila kinurik, ewan ko, G-O-H-N yung sinulat nila guys, pero yung totoo talaga guys is G-H-O-N. G-H-O-N guys, sa G-H-O-N. So guys, for the sixth fact. So guys, I'm a music lover po guys. Kasi guys, kapag sad ako, ayan lang, kikinig lang sa sad, sa music, ayan, and then mawawala na yung sad na nararamdaman ko. Kasi guys, basta guys, yung music talaga guys is basta guys. So guys, for the seventh fact. 7. So guys, mahilig pa ako kumanta at sumayaw at mag-drawing. So guys, hilig ko po yan talaga guys since birth. So guys, kung wala akong gagawin, kunwari, na-charge yung cellphone ko, edi mag-drawing ako. Yan guys, kung na-full naman yung cellphone, Kinoconnect ko guys sa aming, ano ba tawag dyan? Bluetooth. Basta guys, yung Bluetooth siya guys. Kinoconnect ko dyan siya guys. At minsan, sinasabayan ko guys yung pagkanta at minsan sumasayaw din ako guys. Ayan. So guys, sa pang ilan na tayo? Teka. So ayun guys. For the 8th fact. 8 guys, 8. So guys, yung favorite color ko po is color black. Yes. Favorite color ko po is black. Ayan, black. Black. Basta black. So guys, for the 9th fact. So guys, for the 9th fact, guys, is, you know, guys, is, you know, so weird. Yung favorite food ko po is, sa intro pa lang po natin, alam nyo na, hotdog. Hotdog po yung favorite food ko. So, ayan guys. Basta guys, masarap. Kaso mas char! So guys, ayun. Yun yung pang 9th fact. So guys, for the last fact is, so guys, for the last fact, wala po akong jowa. Wala po akong jowa. Ayan. Wala pa po akong jowa, guys. Yes, I'm a single. Single pa po ako. So, ayan siya, guys, yung last na fact. So, ayun na, guys. Dito na nagtapos ang ating vlog. Pero bago yan, shoutout muna pala kay Arabella Coron de la Peña, Aldrey Sompio, at Zarine Ann Dumlao. So, guys, kung sino gusto magpa-shoutout, comment lang sa ilalim. At, request na din kayo, guys, kung anong isusunod ko na i-vlog. So, yun na, guys. Bye-bye. Gawa ni ay.